up? So I've got none other than Hiba Bukhari. Hiba, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good.
Hiba, you know what? I'm so excited working with you. It's so pleasant. Your aura, your upbringing, everything is so on point. How are you? How it's been working with me and how it's been working on this set?
Amazing. It's been amazing. Okay, so someone for me, like because I haven't worked with you,
Yeah.
मुझे ये पता था कि I'll be working with a star who will be giving me that star attitude and something like that. But someone was waiting for me, और मुझे embarrassment होना लग जाता है कि अच्छा someone's waiting for me, like so politely कहीं कोने के अंदर हम कहीं पे भी जाते हैं, no tantrums, no nothing at all. मतलब अगर मैं कुछ तारीफ करूंगी मुझे लगेगा कि लोग कहेंगे कि ये नकली है या कुछ ऐसे, बट मैं जितनी तारीफ करूँ उतनी कम है.
अब पता है आज
Your professionalism on a serious note, how professional you are and how kind you are to the people around you, everyone, मतलब cast, crew, everyone, that's commendable.
But I must give it to Hiba, the Hiba Qadir and Hiba Bukhari at the same time. That Hiba is an excellent co-star, and her energy, her.
हमने ये लाइव इसलिए किया है ताकि हम एक दूसरे की तारीफ कर सकें.
हाँ, लेकिन हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे को बिल्कुल भी पैसे नहीं दिए, ना हम दोनों एक दूसरे को एक्स्ट्रा प्लीज करते हैं तारीफ करने के लिए. But Hiba, honestly, I just wanted to give it out to you with
आप
my
नजर नहीं आ
fans.
रहे, आगे से.
I wanted to give it out to you with my fans for the person you are, for